Cock-a-doodle-doo, rooster says. Daniel, show me, where are the ducks? Over there, white ducks. And where are the hens? Show me the hens. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Co, co, co. Where are the hens? Over there as well? Mm-hmm. And where are Guinea Falls? Daniel, do you know?
Yeah.
Where are Guinea Falls? Show me. Hmm? Over there. Over there. Guinea Falls. That is the hen. How hen says? Cluck, cluck, yes. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, cluck. The hen says cluck, cluck. You want to give grass to hens. Very good. Yes, they will eat. Then, what is it? Oh, that's the rooster. He's coming to us. No.
That's also.
One more? Mm-hmm. Okay, Daniel, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Smile to the camera. How are you smiling, Daniel? Look, she's coming to eat your grass. The hen is going to eat the dandelion leaves which you give to her. You want to give them more food? Daniel, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Smile to the camera. Look at Mama. Where is Mama? Yeah. Bye-bye.